Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya. Today is April 1st. This means a new release by iCrafter. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this fun card. This card called Pinwheel Card, and it's a new die designed by Linda Kenasi. So fun to make this card. So I'm going to write all the links in my description box if you want to have a look on iCrafter blog and see the other design team, their new projects, because there are so many dies, but today I focus on this fun die. So let's get started. Let's have a look at the dies. So this die, this is the die that cuts the actual pages for the pinwheel, and you need 4 pages. This is the base of the pinwheel, and you need 1 piece. And this die, it's a decorative die, to decorate this side of the pinwheel. This is a tap die, and it's optional. The other dies like cupcakes, sprinkles, happy birthdays, to decorate the entire card. The paper I'm going to use this aqua paper by Cut Cardstock, and another design paper by Pink and Me called Ocean Wave. Now let's assemble the card. So I'm going to take the main piece or the base for the pinwheel, and you will see 4 embossed squares. So you need to fold on the lines, not on the square, on the lines. Then you will end up with this small tab. Also, you're going to fold it. Now, at each square, I'm going to glue a page for the pinwheel. So you see, so the edge of the page should, aligned with the edge of the crease line that you just folded. I'm using here liquid adhesive, but definitely you can use double-sided tape. Again, so here is the second page, and now we'll go to the third page. And last but not least, the fourth and the last page. Now you will end up with this little tab. Again, you will put a liquid adhesive. Sorry, my son, you want to see what I'm doing. Now, the last part, I'm going to add liquid adhesive and glue it to where this arrow is, the end of the base, the actual base for the pinwheel. I'm sorry, I was off camera, that's why, I added an arrow, just like that. When you adhere everything, try to pinwheel each square to make sure everything, adhere perfectly. This tab is optional. Just you put it so your card, when you pull your card from the envelope, it will pop. But I don't know. I tried without it, and it works fine, really. But you're gonna fold it has 4 lines, 4 crease lines. So we're gonna fold them and make like this triangle. You have to choose one place to put it. So if I'm going to put it in this side, I can put it in the opposite side, but not next to each other. It will be like that. If you want to add a second tab, it will be in the opposite side. Okay, so this is the base for the card. Now the fun part, which is decorating your pinwheel, I use design paper by Pink and Main. So I choose this cute crabs. They're so cute. So anyway, so I die cut again 4 pages, you know, to decorate the sides of the card. Time for some die cuttings for my sentiments. So it comes with happy birthday, the words and the shadow. Also comes with cupcakes, different cupcake heads, and some sprinkles and candles. So I die cut them out of white cardstock, and I'm going to use my Copic markers or any alcohol markers, you know, to color you know, the word happy birthday. I didn't have the same, you know, orange cardstock or maybe beachy cardstock to match my design paper, but I have so many alcohol markers, you know, different shades, so that's why I decided to just color them using alcohol markers. So I have this adhesive sheet by Graphics. It's really easy to adhere to the shadow instead of using liquid glue. I didn't find my precision glue pen, so adhesive sheets is really easy. So really the sky's the limit to decorate the pinwheel card, because you have 4 pages, 2 of each side, so you can add whatever you want, like sentiments, photos, gift card, because it comes with a gift card die, so you can add a gift card. I hope you liked the video. Please check iCrafter blog. I'm going to link everything in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.